Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity HSA, a comprehensive health savings account designed to help you save for medical expenses while reducing your taxable income. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get you started. First, let's define what an HSA is. A health savings account is a tax-advantaged savings account available to individuals with a high-deductible health plan. The funds contributed to an HSA are not subject to federal income tax, and the money grows tax-free. You can use the funds to pay for qualified medical expenses, such as doctor visits, prescriptions, and hospital stays. To open a Fidelity HSA, you must have a high-deductible health plan, which is a health insurance plan with a minimum deductible of $1,250 for individual coverage and $2,500 for family coverage. You can contribute to your Fidelity HSA through payroll deductions or by making individual contributions. The annual contribution limits for an HSA are $3,600 for individual coverage and $7,200 for family coverage. You can contribute to your HSA until the tax filing deadline, typically April 15th of the following year. Now, let's talk about how to use your Fidelity HSA. You can use the funds in your account to pay for qualified medical expenses, such as copays, co-insurance, and prescription medications. You can also use the funds to pay for dental and vision care, as well as over-the-counter medications. To pay for medical expenses, you can use your Fidelity HSA debit card or reimburse yourself from your account. You can also invest your HSA funds in a variety of investment options, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and bonds. Best practices for using your Fidelity HSA include contributing regularly, investing your funds, and keeping track of your expenses. You should also keep your receipts and records of your medical expenses, in case you need to reimburse yourself or prove that you used the funds for qualified expenses. In conclusion, a Fidelity HSA is a valuable tool for saving for medical expenses while reducing your taxable income. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can open and use your Fidelity HSA to achieve your health savings goals. Remember to contribute regularly, invest your funds, and keep track of your expenses to get the most out of your Fidelity HSA.